Huh, that's weird. You guys hear that? Kind of high-pitched sound. Almost sounds like, I don't know, a really, really big mosquito. Whatever, probably just a weird bird or something. Anyway, these berries are like the best. Super sweet.
They're not like regular berries. They kind of shimmer and they pop in your mouth like little flavor explosions.
Okay, no, that's definitely not a bird. It's like a low humming. Boom, boom. What is that? It's coming from over there, I think. Deeper in the woods where the old pines are. This is a tough one, guys. Curiosity or hunger?